Aloha, fellow Kamadians. A few years ago, I visited the tropical paradise of Hawaii. Along with offering breathtaking views, the island also offers mouth-watering dishes. One particular dish that I enjoyed was Kalua pork. Traditional Kalua pork is a labor-intensive effort that's very difficult to replicate at home. First, a good-sized pit about 4 to 5 feet deep is dug and layered with lava rocks. A fire is then built using a locally sourced wood. When the wood has burnt down to hot embers, more lava rocks are placed into the pit to retain the heat. Tai or banana leaves are then laid into the pit. A whole pig that has been salted with red volcanic Hawaiian salt is then placed on top of the leaves. To make sure the pig gets cooked properly, additional hot lava rocks are then placed into the pig's cavity. The pig is then covered with another layer of tai or banana leaves. On goes a large wet burlap. Everything is then covered with dirt to lock in all the heat to cook the pig. About 10 hours later, when the pig is ready, you gotta then dig everything back out and shred the meat to serve your guest. Wow, that's a lot of work. With ceramic Kamados, we're able to simulate the traditional pit environment to make delicious Kalua pork without the back-breaking work. The beauty of this dish is that it only requires a few ingredients. I'll be using a 5-pound pork shoulder. Along with that, I'll be using red Hawaiian salt. Don't substitute with the more readily available Himalayan pink salt because it offers a different taste. And according to what I've read, Himalayan salt contains trace amount of radioactive elements. A non-traditional ingredient that I like to use is a half cup of pineapple juice. I find that pineapple juice adds nice flavor and provides moisture for the pork when it's cooking. The last item we need is banana leaves. You'll typically find this in Asian markets in the frozen section. To use it, all you have to do is pour boiling water on it and let it sit for a few minutes. I'll start by liberally sprinkling the red Hawaiian salt all over the pork shoulder. While the charcoal is heating up, I'll place a small chunk of mesquite to approximate the flavor of the Hawaiian wood. We're shooting for a temperature of 230 degrees. I've got my Kamado set up for indirect cooking, and I'm now ready to place the pork in. I'll let it cook in the mesquite flavored smoke for 2 hours before wrapping it. It's been smoking for 2 hours now, and I've taken the pork out of the Kamado. Place the pork on top of a sheet of banana leaf that's sitting on top of a sheet of aluminum foil. Place a second sheet of banana leaf over the pork and begin to wrap it up. Before sealing the final end, carefully add the pineapple juice. Return the package to the Kamado and let it cook for approximately 3 more hours until the pork reaches an internal temperature of 200 degrees. The pork has reached 200 degrees and is now ready to be taken off the Kamado. I'll cut open the package and let it rest for 30 minutes before shredding up the meat. It's now time to shred the meat. Start by removing the shoulder bone. While forks can shred meat just fine, you'll miss out on the opportunity to be Wolverine. Use your meat claws to shred up the meat to your heart's content. Serve up the Kalua pork with your favorite sides. Hey, thanks so much for spending some time with me. Please subscribe to my channel to see more food from all around the world cooked in the Kamado.